Hey guys, welcome back to Two Wheel Tips. I'm Theron with Camacho Activity Center. Man, look at this bike. It is filthy. Today, we're going to learn how to clean the bike properly so that it not only looks the best, but performs at its best. Let's head outside and clean this bike. A quick shout out to Kyle on Instagram for this week's Two Wheel Tip. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. Okay, so some items I have with me to help are a bucket. I filled this up with some dish soap and some warm water. I've got a large sponge, a detailing brush, a clean rag. I got some degreaser, and also I have a flathead screwdriver. First thing I'm going to do is take my degreaser and give it a spray, especially in the drivetrain. This is going to break up a lot of the hardened grease. At this point, we can remove the wheels. If you need help removing your wheels, refer to our other two-wheel tip videos. With the rear wheel removed, now we can get into the frame where the dropouts are, the brake caliper, and try to clean this up. When you're wiping down your bike, you can also inspect some of the parts. I'm going to use my rag, just kind of detail it. The derailleur pulleys are usually very gunked up with grease. Working your screwdriver around the pulleys can really knock off that grease. You're going to see a dramatic improvement to your shifting. Feel free to hit it again with some water. Soapy water. You're just really getting all that grease off of there. And you just keep detailing until it's very clean. Take some of my soapy water with the sponge and go around the rim. To clean this cassette, you need to get in between the gears. I'm going to use this rag folded over, and I'm going to floss the rag in between the gears. Once you've cleaned between each gear, the wheel's ready to be put back on the bike. Now's a good time to focus on the chain. Running the chain in between the rag. This is going to really degrease the chain, knock off all the sand and mud that's in between. And if we need to do any more detailing, I have this stiff bristled brush, knock off anything we missed. The more you clean and detail your bike, the better it's going to perform. I would suggest cleaning your bike after every dirty, muddy ride, or about every 3 to 5 rides. Well, that does it for our two-wheel tip today. We're gonna go hit the trail and get this bike dirty.